Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. I'm Colleen and welcome if you're new here. So I'm organizing my beauty cart. I'm transforming it into my little self-care collection and I'm just collecting all the items I have sprawled around my room to put it all into one cohesive space. So you're gonna watch part one of this because since I recorded this video, I've actually collected a lot more things and gotten a second cart. So that will be part two that I will create in the future. But right now I'm just collecting all the items and I have these acrylic bathroom shelves that I got from Amazon. And I kind of use it to corral my skincare items. And here I am just collecting and clearing the cart of all the items that I have. It's full of lotions, perfumes, skincare. This should have been done a long time ago because it was really driving me nuts. I'm taking some disinfecting wipes and just cleaning this cart out. This cart is from IKEA. This is the Raskog. I will link it down below, but they have various colors throughout the different seasons. This is like a rust color, but right now I believe they have like a sage green and the classic black and white. I love this cart. It's so heavy duty. So here are all my items. I'm just sorting through and I'm putting all my skincare items into these acrylic Amazon shelves. Eventually, I want to put my skincare back on the other cart I got because right now I have it in an inconvenient place. But as soon as I set up the other cart, which I'll show in the video in part two, I will put my skincare back on the cart. But I do love the idea of corralling products with like shelves, trays. It's the best way to keep little nicks and knacks together. And organizing your items is just so soothing. I did this at like 11 p.m. at night. I didn't have my kids with me and I just kind of wanted something to do. And this was the perfect I need to and I want to project. On the top of the cart, I decided to put all my fragrance mists. I'm going to put all the items that I reach for the most up top. And plus they're tall, so it would be best up top. I decided to put the sprays on one side and all the lotions with pumps on the other. And I put all my body creams right next to those lotions and my fragrances. This setup is completely different as I record this, but you will see everything in part two. I'm clearing out the second section of this cart. It's so random. Like I had some kind of system, but it was just not working. And once again, I'm just cleaning out this area. Let me know if you have organized your beauty products lately and any kind of system you've set up that works for you. So I decided to put all my scrubs on this middle tier. Push some in the back. These are my Dove scrubs and my Tree Hut scrubs. I'm kind of proud of my little collection of scrubs. I love scrubs. I put all my oils right next to the scrubs on that second tier. It's kind of the things I reach for afterwards. And put all my deodorant sprays and sticks. And this bottom tier I had used as like my hair products and tools, just a few of them. But I'm gonna clear that out and push this basket under the bed instead because I hardly reach for these things as much anymore as my hair is like short. So it could easily go under the bed and I'll just pull it out as needed. That's my massager. And just cleaning this section too. And in this section, I decided to put all my body washes and bar soaps. And I adjust and move things accordingly. I can't wait for you guys to see part 2. I haven't started it yet, but just to show you my collection now, and I know it's like satisfying. And yeah, these are the bar soaps. I was playing around with placement, but decided that would be the most space convenient. I have my Vagisil wash, the extra one that I have down there. I put my spray down at the bottom, but I decided to put it with my other deodorants. And that's it. This looks so weak compared to what it looks like now. It's so funny. But yeah, that was my little transformation, organizing all my body products. I hope you enjoyed this. It was kind of satisfying, right? I'm really happy with the products I've gotten so far and looking forward to a fun, collective 2022. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this content and subscribe if you want to see more. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.